If you are wondering if we have AI features on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then the answer is yes, we do have quite a bit of AI tools that we can use. I think the most obvious one over here is the Moto AI, which is pretty much an equivalent of like a Google Assistant or Gemini or something like that. It contains multiple different tools that you can use. We have, for example, the image studio that allows you to generate images that can also be used for a wallpaper. For example, this one over here that you can see in the background is actually generated by using that option. And there is also an option to create a playlist that should suit to any mood or occasion. However, me personally, I didn't try this one out. And there are also some additional tools for productivity where you can talk with the Moto AI in order to get things done, apparently. We also have, of course, circle to search, which seems to be a standard for the newest smartphones. So in order to use it, we can press and hold our finger on the home button or the navigation handle if you use gestures. And of course, we can select the area that we want to search on Google. As you can see over here, we get some answers. Not only that, it is also used, for example, to recognize music. Over here we can tap on this icon here in order to play, sing, or hum a song to find the results in the Google search. Now, besides that, there is also the, for example, magic eraser. So if you tend to edit your photos, then you will be happy to hear that if you decide to edit a photo, then you have the option to remove something from the photo. If you go to the edit, you should be able to find magic eraser in the tools. So let's tap over here in order to quickly show you how it works. We can circle or brush an area in order, or an object in order to erase it. So let's say I'm going to select this object over here. As you can see, it was highlighted and then removed. There are some imperfections left behind, so let's actually select this area once again in order to see if it's gonna make it look better, and it slightly looks better, so I guess now this is fine. So there we go. This is additional tool that we can use. And there is also AI zoom for audio for recording, for video recording apparently, which can be found in the camera settings. So if we open settings over here, we can find AI audio, which is the audio zoom, and apparently it amplifies the audio in the zoomed area of the viewfinder. So if you are recording a video and if you use a zoom, apparently you should also use the audio zoom. And I think that's pretty much everything, or the most important parts that we can find on this phone in terms of AI tools. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!